Let's see if we can take a completely dead battery and rejuvenate it with a good battery. Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. I have had this myth going on the internet. I saw it on YouTube, and we have a battery, a DeWalt battery that's completely dead. Does not charge, does not recognize anything. And it's a power stack battery, which is their latest technology. It's one of my newest batteries that I own. It's completely dead. And then I have just like an 8 amp hour, 20 volt battery, okay, that's fully charged. And just to show you guys, what we're gonna try to do is jump start this battery and see if we can get it to charge. Okay, so that battery works. This battery does not. Before I get into this though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, please. Thank you. All right, so basically the premise is there's 5 poles in this battery, but the ones that we need to be concerned with apparently are the one that say the B+ and the B-. So they're the 2 outside poles on the battery, and I'm gonna take a thin wire and I'm gonna hook one each up to each side of this, like that, and then I'm gonna hook up the same set of wires to the B+ and the B- for just a few seconds. I've seen this quite a bit, but I just wanna see if this myth is true or not, or if it works for us. And I don't have any idea, I've never done this before. This is the very first time, but I just found that even though this is just a little 2 amp hour or maybe 3 amp hour power stack, I can't read this, guys, because I don't have my, hold on. So this is a 1.7 amp hour battery. We don't use it for a whole lot, but it works great for like our radio. And sometimes if you want a super light battery, I would love to keep this thing running. Let's try this and see if it works. I don't know if it's going to or not. We'll say the wire with the white writing, we'll say is B+, and the wire with the ribs on it will be B-, so we don't cross over and do something silly like that. Okay, so there's B+ and B- on there, and we'll go B+ here and B- there. Ooh, I saw spark. So 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Don't cross over your wires, guys, when you're doing this. Oh my goodness, look at that. It actually registered. I don't believe it. Let's take this over to the charger and see if it's actually gonna charge. This would not charge before we did that on the charger. So let's go. Okay, here's the moment of truth. What just happened? Can you believe that?
Yes, I can believe that. That was nice.
Wow. I don't believe it. It actually worked. If that doesn't have any value, man, just leave, okay? Hit that subscribe button. I know I just saved somebody 50 bucks. That is incredible. That myth is confirmed. All right, guys, so if you learned something today about jump starting a battery, which I know you did because I really didn't think that was gonna work, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of this trick. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.